Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app crashing or freezing on your phone. First, restart your device. Then, this will fix many temporary problems. Next, go to the App Store, search for the Deutsche Bank app, and then update the Deutsche Bank app if available. Then, go to your settings and then tap Apps, then Deutsche Bank, and tap Storage and Clear Cache on Android. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close all the running background apps. This frees up memory. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the app. This fixes the corrupted data. Make sure your phone software is updated. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank crashing or freezing. Subscribe for more simple steps.